Hi guys, welcome to another episode of An Idiot's Guide to Getting Started in Property. Just a short one today. I'm going to discuss with you what I think is going to happen, my prediction for the next few months of 2020, the dreaded 2020. So, as we all know, massive pandemic, huge problems, but the government's been quite good in terms of plowing a load of money into the system. We've recently had the bans change with regards to stamp duty. So residential buyers no longer pay any stamp duty in England on a house up to £500,000. Here in Wales, we have not been so lucky, so it's only down to 250, which is all right, but frustrating if you were at that stage where you're looking to sell your residence and move up, scale up. Um, you know, 3, 4, 5 bedroom houses in more well-to-do areas aren't gonna see the benefit of that as much. But my prediction is that towards the end of the year, from October onwards, the end of October onwards, we are going to experience the beginning of the end. Not in terms of the apocalypse, but in terms of I think the mini boom that we're seeing at the moment, where auction prices are sky high, estate agents can't take on houses quick enough. I think that is all going to start to tail off. And my reason behind this, and I haven't just plucked it out of thin air, the reason behind this is I think the furlough scheme is going to end in October, as we know. And I think that the media is going to turn its attention from coronavirus onto, unless we get a second spike, of course, but I think it's going to turn it from coronavirus onto furlough scheme ends, mass unemployment, economic downturn, and as a result, the house market is going to take a dip as well. How long this lasts, we're not sure. And obviously, the government has put things in place, like I said, alluded to the stamp duty, which makes it more encouraging for buyers. But I just think that it's not going to be enough. We're already starting to see big stores. I read earlier on Victoria's Secret, they're going under. Nike, they've put stuff on their production on hold. And obviously, not all of this is UK specific, but I think the picture that will be painted and the speculation that will occur will be around the economy is going to take a nosedive. Friends of mine, friends and family members are looking to buy and sell houses, not only as investments, but also as their main residence, looking to change their main residence. What I have advised is if you want to sell, sell now, because the market is booming and there's a lot of demand for properties. But if you want to buy, I think if you're in a position to, you should hold up until we understand what's going to happen. On a personal note, I've actually stopped investing at the moment. Recently sold a property, and we're just holding up to see what is going to happen because I think if you're buying property now as investments in the next 6 months, that property is not going to be worth what you paid for it now. Again, all opinions are my own. I could be way off the mark, and I hope to a certain extent I am wrong because who wants a recession? Who wants a bust? But that's what I'm thinking at the moment. Be really interested to know your thoughts. Please hit like and subscribe. Comment below. Let's see what you got.